got an old Caddy as a shop truck and it's starting to look quite tired at the moment, so we decided it's time to update it. The engine works fine, so we're going to leave that as it is. We're going to mainly focus on wheels, paint and ride height. We're going to start with paint first, as it's missing some pretty big patches down the side. So the first thing to do is get it into our spray booth and start painting. While the paint's drying on the Caddy, we sent Felix off to get some wheels. We went for a set of Ronald turbos with the hope that the rugged look will really suit the Caddy well, but also the shine will help set it off.
The Caddy's back from paint and it's looking really good, so now it's time to fit those new wheels.
Down to you guys, boys. We're focusing a lot on the big parts of the Caddy, but we're not forgetting the small bits either. So we've got a new rear line unit to replace this broken old one. We started out with a worn out pickup truck. The back was missing paint, the wheels are old and rusty, and the interior was looking pretty sorry for itself. But now we've got a shop truck we can all really be proud of. We fixed the paint on the back, but made sure to keep the distressed look, so we kept lots of the dents and scratches elsewhere. We also replaced the wheels with bigger rims with a larger offset to make sure it was sitting right. To finish it off, we focused on the small details as well by replacing the rear smash tail light and machining a new gear knob. It may have only been a quick project, but it's come out looking great.